guys, welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. We are so excited to share and we are happy to see that you are in for the journey of the holiday season Lexmas. So without further ado, I will be talking about how to secure the bag while getting some really nice gifts for your family and friends. So if you're interested in seeing what suggestions I have and what great gifts I have in store in this video, then stay tuned. So I know COVID has done a number on all of us and we have been trying to make ends meet. We have been budget cutting. We have tried the most to just get through and survive 2020. Like who has been on the right side of this pandemic? You tell me. So all of this has been happening while we have to go through December, the holiday season, the season of giving, the season where, you know, joy and happiness is supposed to befall all the friends and family, and it has been so different this year. So I decided that I was going to come on and share just a few little gifts of sentimental value that would make any friend or any family member's day. Your friends will be like, oh my god, you really cared about me, especially when you're doing budget cuts, and I know times are hard and I know you're prioritizing, you know, to get through 2020. So let's start with gift number 1. I have a thing, right, with DIYs, and while we are in quarantine and lockdown and curfew and all that jazz, we have been doing a lot of homemade things and honing our talents and finding out hidden talents that we didn't even know existed, right? Like I didn't even know that I could make a Christmas wreath, and I did it. I was like, listen, how hard can it be? Let's get the things together and let's do this. And it turned out really nice. So in the spirit of DIYing, I wanted to share a gift idea that is making a DIY self kit. Now, self kits are the way of life. Everybody is doing self-care. This pandemic has made people have more time on their hands, and because of that, we decided that it was a great gift to gift somebody. Now, you can make the sugar scrub. Like, I made a coffee scrub. It was so easy. You just add the coffee and sugar and a little bit of essential oil and you're good to go. This can go in a self kit. You can put a mask. You don't have to make a mask. If you want to make a mask, you can make turmeric and lime. You can make a clay mask. You can make any kind of mask and put in there. You can also gift a candle. Anything that will enhance a self-care routine. And if you want, you could also opt to buy a skincare routine for your friends, because skincare is the way to go these days, right? I kid you not. It will make somebody's day, and you know, it's a very practical gift that people can actually use during the holiday and into 2021. So the second gift is an experience. Now, I'm not saying that to gift a whole staycation to anybody, but you know, staycations if you can afford it, but you know, it is not that kind of video, because we are all about securing the bag and saving the money for 2021, right? So dial it down a bit. We are going to suggest that you do a foodie experience. Now, I don't know who doesn't love food. Not me. I love food. Like, if I could get paid to eat, I would totally do that every day, all day. You know, you want to gift your friend or your family member or your whole family, if your family is small, mind you. If you want to give them a foodie experience, take them out to their favorite restaurant, or you can even have a meal at your home. I'm sure sis, I'm sure bro, you knew how to cook and learn how to cook your favorite meal. So if you want, you can also opt to cook a homemade meal for your family and friends as a Christmas gift, because who doesn't love to eat? I know I do, and I would really appreciate a home cooked meal for the Christmas holiday. Third gift is a gift certificate. I know times are hard, like I said, so people are really prioritizing how they spend their money. You have people that say, oh, you know, the money goes to bills, money goes to rent, the money goes to, you know, making sure that you have Christmas, but you don't really have the large scale Christmas gifts or Christmas parties that you used to. So during the holiday season especially, I know persons love going to spas and, you know, decorating for the new year, but that has changed. But best believe you can swoop in like Superman saving a day, or Santa Claus gifting somebody something special for Christmas, and give them a gift certificate. They would really appreciate it because, you know, the money was not budgeted for that. So giving them a gift certificate to a spa or a favorite restaurant, that would help them say, okay, that money is going to be spent doing this, and they will enjoy it. Like, who doesn't love a spa? Who doesn't love a massage? I know I do. So think about it. So the next gift, I'm going to suggest this bottle of wine because we are spending more time at home and in our own space, and who does not like having a bottle of wine chilled to pour while you're watching your favorite Christmas movie? Like, it is something that I enjoy. And if you do not drink, you can also give somebody a DIY hot chocolate. So you do a little breakdown of the hot chocolate in a jar, and then you just give them the jar, you know, wrap it nicely and all that, and then give them it, and they can in turn just throw the thing into a cup, pour some water on it, and have their hot chocolate while they're watching their favorite Netflix movie. Speaking about Netflix, everyone has been subscribed to this lovely platform where movies are endless, your favorite shows are endless, and what better way to gift somebody for Christmas but a Netflix subscription. Now, if you are the person that pays for Netflix and you have extra people on your plan, you can gift your friend your subscription. You just lend them your username and password, and then you can just send them on a wild goose chase to watching their favorite Christmas movies, because I know Netflix has been doing the most these times because persons are on lockdown. So what better time than to give them a subscription plan to Netflix? Now, I mean, if they get your password and your username, mind you, you might have to change it if you want them off of your subscription, but in the spirit of Christmas and in the spirit of giving, give them the joy of wasting hours watching their favorite movie. They will thank you later. So last but not least, we have, now if you're anything like me and love a good planner, you love to plan, you love to organize, and you love to write notes and make color-coded stuff and remind yourself about things to do, the planner is one of the best gifts you can give somebody for 2020 going into 2021. You're even saying, you know, I think of you because I want your life to be organized going into the new year. Like, who doesn't like that? I would very much so enjoy a good planner because I am the type of person that needs to write things down and color code and sticky notes. Yeah, so it is very integral in my life, and if you have one of the persons that love sentimental stuff, this would be perfect. Keep yourself organized for 2021 because we are about that life in the new year. Can I get an amen? So that's it, guys. That is all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not already, please subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment, if you want to leave a thumbs up, it is greatly appreciated because we are all about sharing is caring for 2020 and going into 2021 with the good vibes only. So if you want to continue watching VLOGMAS, I post another video tomorrow. glad you came out to see this, and I hope you take my suggestions and recommendations and make this Christmas for one of your friends or one of your uncles, aunts, sisters, dog, because we know that is hard and we want to make sure that the holiday season is not lost on us, and we have to make it special in our own little way. Can I get an amen? We have 10 days left of Vlogmas. You're not ready. You're not ready. You're not ready for this. Like, oh my god, I am so excited for what we have tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.